In this video, I'll show you how to change your mouse scroll direction on your MacBook. This is super useful if scrolling feels backwards to you. This also works even if you're just using a trackpad. So first, click the Apple logo at the top left of your screen. Then open System Settings. Scroll down and click on Mouse. But if you're using a trackpad instead, just like me, you'll go to trackpad instead of mouse. Then go to Scroll and Zoom and look for Natural Scrolling. Turn it on or off depending on what you prefer. If you turn this on, scrolling feels like moving content with your fingers. But if you turn this off, it's the traditional scrolling style where it scrolls on the opposite direction. You should try both for a few seconds. It really depends on what feels comfortable for you. If you use both a mouse and a trackpad, changing this affects both at the same time. And that's how to change your mouse scroll direction on your MacBook. It's a quick fix and way more comfortable once it's set right. If this video helped you, please give us a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.